Hello class! Today I will be showing you how to insert a YouTube video into a Google Slides presentation without having to leave your PowerPoint. As you see, I'm already in Google Slides and I have created a blank slide for us to work with. So the video that I will be attaching is a 3-minute timer which I use every day for your bell ringers. So here, I will go to the URL, right click, and copy the URL, and then I'll go back to the untitled presentation, go over to the tabs where it says insert, go down to where it says video, and as you see, I have already placed the URL in and searched it, and the video that I want appears. So I'm going to click the video and hit select. Now as we see, the timer is available on the slide, and I'll be able to just click the play button and the timer commences. I will pause. Thank you so much, class. Have a great day.